What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our Kelz show. A little Sunday action on the July 4th celebration weekend. Let's see if we can pop off some fireworks of our own. Black titanium style. Can we get a money bag? A star. Money bag, a clover, and a pig. All right. 29, 49, 16, 26, 34, 66. 639, 44, and 18. 4, 11, 42, 65, 5, 22, 1, 27, 38, 35, 53, 31, 14, 56. Ooh, birthday son. Oh, my juices. Oh, my juices. My juices, they flow on a July 4th Sunday. Oh, me love it. Me like it. Me love it. Me want some more of it. Oh, that is a beautiful little bursty burst. Woo! Yeah. Got him. That's the first one I've seen. That's the first one. Nobody's even sent me one. R. Kelly has found the bestest. All right, y'all. Hope y'all have a great July 4th weekend. Celebrate. Keep your dogs safe. Me and Mom are building a boomy roomy for the dogs, so they got somewhere to hide away. All right. I'll see y'all later. Y'all be good. Peace.